Mm. And then, you were saying? Huh? You were saying something, baby. Huh? Oh no, she got distracted. She was talking a while ago and now she's silent. Because she's seeing the camera. Yeah, there she is. Yeah. Yeah, say hi. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh. No, she's actually telling you a story. She had a vaccine shot today. And she's not feeling too good. Yeah. Okay. How's your leg, baby? How's the vaccine shot? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, it can't be seen. Low tech. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. Sleepy? Mm-hmm. Oh no. She's about to cry. Oh. She wants to be cuddled to sleep now. I bet that's what she wants. Okay. We're done, maybe? No? Yeah? Oh. Are we done now? Muna? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Bad face. Okay. Annoyed. Oh. Oh, she's stoned. Oh no. Okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. You can go to sleep later. Let's talk first. Right? Oh no, you don't want any more? Yeah, this is boring, huh? Okay, bye-bye.